Volto count up block is a block that will show a count up from and to a given number. Lately we have seen this pattern in a lot of sites, and it is very useful to provide some numbers in a front page or a landing page. First we add the block and we configure it with the start number and the end number. We can also set the duration of the count up, set to 5 seconds. And this will work automatically will count automatically from 0 to 100. This renders a semantic UI segment, so we have all the options available for a segment to style this block. We can set inverted, with a color and a circular. And we have an elegant count up. We can also set a title, for instance, number of new contributors for Plone. We can also set the tag, the HTML tag used to render the title, and its position. We can strip down these options from the block configuration using the configuration in the development mode. You can get more information on the GitHub page of the add-on, github.com/codesyntax/Volto count up block. Volto feature block is a page composition block that lets the content editor build a mosaic-like page with custom text and images. It is similar to the core teaser block, but this add-on lets you enter whatever text you want without forcing you to select any content on the site. It uses Volto's core variation mechanism so that any integrator can add additional templates to show the content of the block. In this example, I will first add a feature item with an image, title, and a description that is shown as a banner image. I select an image that I have already uploaded to the portal. The block also provides two additional variations that enhance the block with an image and let the user place the image on the left or on the right depending on the variation. Let me show it to you here. I select an image and the image left variation. Now I change the variation, I add some link text to show in a button, and I change the image with another one. You can get more information on the GitHub page of the add-on, github.com/codesyntax/Volto feature block. Volto listing advanced variation is a variation for the listing block with advanced configuration options. This variation uses the schema enhancing capabilities to extend the default schema with additional options that allow the content editor to select how to show the listing block. First, we select the variation and we are presented the options of the block. We can add a custom header text, select its HTML tag, select in how many columns the results will be shown, the HTML tag of the title. We can select to show the effective date and the position of the image, and even the size that the image will take in that column. We want the image down. We can add a more link with a custom text and a custom link to show at the bottom of the list. The idea of the block is to provide the basis to let an advanced user have several options to show the content of a listing in an easy way. I can configure the listing easily now, not to show the description, the effective date, to show the image on the left, to show a bigger image, and everything configured directly. You can get more information on the GitHub page of the add-on, github.com/codesyntax/Volto listing advanced variation. Volto Map Libre block is a block where the content editor can add several points in a map and they will be shown there as pins. In this example, I will be adding a map and some points in it to represent several cities where the Plone conferences have been organized. First, we add the block, and then using the Add Marker button, I add the relevant markers. First A bar, I enter the title, the latitude, the longitude, and the position of the marker. Then Ferrara, I do the same, the latitude, the longitude, the position of the marker. And then Barcelona, with the title, the latitude, and longitude. Automatically, the map will be centered in the middle of all markers. The component allows using arbitrary tile servers, so the background map can be easily changed with other ones. Here I select the France OpenStreetMap layer, and we can see that the map is different. It also provides a map component that an integrator or add-on developer can use to show a map in the site. For instance, we have used this to build this variation for the search block, where we show the position and status of several mountains. We can use the filters of the search block to filter the results, and it's automatically updated with the filters. You can get more information on the GitHub page of the add-on, github.com/codesyntax/Volto Map Libre block. Volto Social Sharing is a Volto add-on to show the share in social media links in your site. This add-on does nothing by itself, it requires some configuration by the developer. Using the App Extras feature of Volto, it allows registering a component that will be shown in those pages. The component will render the configured list of links, with the shared URL being the current URL. By default, it provides 4 sharing links: Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, and WhatsApp, but it can be configured to add or remove several services. It provides also a responsive view, sticking the sharing icons on the bottom of the page when browsing from mobile devices. You can get more information on the GitHub page of the add-on at github.com/codesyntax/Volto Social Sharing.